So how do you find the whole training journey and the support with Venn Healthcare?
Yeah, Venn's excellent. I've had nothing but great service from Venn in relation to borrowing demo machines, the servicing of the machines that I have, and the training in the academy of Venn, I think, is really excellent.
Because we've got quite a bit of tutors who bring different sort of knowledge base. Like me from physio, you got James, from osteo, Stuart, so it brings a multidisciplinary thing.
Yeah.
And because you attended quite a few on the innovations as well.
Yeah, I go to the innovations, and I have looked at other systems at the beginning, but I'm pleased that I took the Venn journey and the Storks journey. Good equipment, good backup, and good training, as today has shown.
Yeah. So today we covered through chronic plantar fasciitis, coccydynia. We went through the back protocol and things like that. Obviously, you knew most of the things. What do you feel of that? Do you feel like with this new information you can apply that with this sort of...
Yeah, and of course the information evolves. So attending the innovation
coming up,
in November,
October,
November,
yeah,
is always an excellent event.
Yeah,
and it just helps shape your practice moving forwards.
Yeah. So thanks, Chris. I think it's the start of your Shockwave journey, and there's much more you can include, which